In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw money from your Robinhood account on the website. Whether you're looking to cash out some of your investment profits or simply move your funds to your bank account, it's important to understand each step so the process goes as smoothly as possible. Let's start from the very beginning. First, you'll need to log into your Robinhood account. Make sure you do this using their official website. Enter your login information, and once you're in, you'll be on your main dashboard where you can see your portfolio and recent activity. If you have specific stocks or other investments that you want to cash out, you'll need to sell those before you can withdraw your money. To do this, go to your portfolio section. Here, you'll see a list of all the assets you currently own. Click on the stock you want to sell, and then look for the sell button. After selecting it, you'll need to confirm the details and complete the sale. If you want to withdraw everything from your account, repeat this process for each stock you wish to sell. Once you've sold the stocks, patience is key. Your funds won't be immediately available for withdrawal. For stocks, it typically takes 2 full business days for the money from those sales to settle into your account. This is a standard process known as the settlement period, and it ensures all transactions have cleared before you can move your money out. You can check your buying power or the history tab to see when your funds have fully settled. After the waiting period, your funds will be available for transfer. Head over to the top right corner of the page and click on Account. This will bring up your account menu. From there, choose the Transfers option, which is where you manage moving funds into or out of Robinhood. Next, click on Transfer to Bank. Here, you'll be prompted to choose which bank account you want to send your funds to. If you don't see your bank account linked, you'll need to add it first, which may take a bit more time. Enter the amount you'd like to withdraw. Double check that the amount is correct, then click Submit to finalize your transfer request. Now, all that's left is to wait for your funds to arrive. Robinhood usually takes between 1 and 3 business days to move your money into your selected bank account. Keep an eye on your bank account. If you don't see the funds after 3 business days, it's a good idea to check your Robinhood transaction history or contact support. And that's it. You've successfully withdrawn money from your Robinhood account using their website. With these steps, you can feel confident managing your investments and moving your funds whenever you need them. Thank you for watching, and good luck with all your future investments.